Moutushi from the British Council, here with you today at Robi 10-Minute School. Today we're going to talk about IELTS. Have you been recently asked to give the IELTS? What is the IELTS? Why should I give the IELTS? This video will answer that question. The IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. Over 3 million people around the world take it, and they take it for two reasons. They want to go abroad for education or for work migration. There are two types of IELTS exam, the general and the academic. If you want to go study abroad for higher education, you can take the academic. You can go if you're going abroad for your bachelor's, master's or PhD. If you're going with a work visa, then you can take the general, or if you're getting married. Countries such as Australia, Canada, New Zealand, USA, or countries in the UK request for the general. Some jobs require you to take the academic IELTS, so find out more about that. You can take the IELTS in 140 countries around the world. But again, why do they want you to take the IELTS exam? They want to see how well you communicate in English. So they're going to test you on 4 different skills. They're going to test you on your speaking, reading, listening, and writing. There are going to be 4 exams. Listening and speaking for general and academic is the same. For reading and writing, it's a different exam for the general IELTS and for the academic IELTS. The listening, reading and writing you have to take on the same day, but your speaking exam will be on a different day. It will be maybe 1 week before this exam or 1 week after this exam. So let's go into detail for each exam. Your listening will be a total of 40 minutes. 30 minutes you'll be listening to the audio and writing your answers. Then you get 10 extra minutes to transfer your answers to an answer sheet. There will be 4 recordings in total. The first recording is going to be a conversation between 2 people. The second one is going to be just one person talking about something simple. The third recording is going to be a discussion between 3 or 4 people. And the final one, again, is one person speaking, usually on an academic topic. Next is your reading. Your reading is going to be for 1 hour or 60 minutes, and you will have 40 questions. For your general IELTS, there'll be 3 sections. For section 1, there's going to be 2 to 3 short texts. For the second section, there's going to be 2 texts which are a bit longer. And for the final section, there's going to be 1 long text. For your academic IELTS though, there's just going to be 3 longer texts. For the writing exam, that is also 60 minutes or 1 hour. You will have 2 tasks in your writing exam, task 1 and task 2. Task 1, you have to write around 150 words, and for task 2, 250 words. So you should take around 20 minutes for task 1 and around 40 minutes for task 2. For your general IELTS, task 1 is different from the academic IELTS. In your general IELTS, task 1, you have to write a letter. For your academic IELTS in task 1, you have to describe a graph or a chart. Task 2 for both the general and the academic IELTS is the same. You have to respond to a view, argument or a problem. For example, life in the city is better than life in the village. You now have to write an essay responding to this statement. So finally, the speaking exam. The speaking exam has 3 parts. Part 1, questions about yourself. So the examiner will ask, What do you do? What does your family do? Where do you live? Part 2, the examiner will ask you about a specific topic and you have to talk for 2 minutes without stopping. The topics could be your favorite sports, extreme weather, or your favorite type of technology. So the examiner could ask, describe your favorite piece of technology. Part 3 is going to ask follow-up questions related to the previous topic. The examiner might ask you more than one question. So for example, if your previous topic was technology, the examiner might ask, do you think today we rely too much on technology? Or do you think technology contributes to global warming? The entire exam will be 11 to 15 minutes. So that's all for all the tests and the exams. And if you have any more questions about the IELTS, please put your questions in the comment box below. And if you like the video, come again and press like and subscribe. See you later.